Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. So today we're going to do a chatty get ready with me, one of my favorite things to do because I like to talk. We're going to do that because I'm on my way out. I'm going to a networking event. I may be running a little bit late, but I have to do my makeup. So, but I'm already dressed, hair's already done, eyebrows are done. Let's get the face on now. The face. Okay? So, now that the eyebrows are done, so what I'm doing now is just putting some concealer over my lids. I always do this before eyeshadow. Sometimes I accidentally do too much, but you know, blend that in a little bit. A little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. Do 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 do. Try to do as little as possible, but I accidentally do too much. Okay, let's set those lids. So what do you guys think about the holidays coming up? I'm excited. I love the holidays. They're so exciting. It's reasons to celebrate. It's reasons to put lights up, to get gifts, Christmas gifts. I'm not a big Christmas gift giver, but I like the Pollyanna and the fun stuff at holiday parties. I like the ugly sweater parties. I love the Halloween parties. Thanksgiving dinner. Oh, it's my favorite time of year. My absolute favorite time of year. Okay, so now that those lids are set, let's do some shadow. So I'm going to use my Urban Decay Naked Reloaded palette. I'm going to get my Sephora blending brush, blending crease brush. I want to go in with Burn, a little bit of Burn. Do I want to go with Burn? Yes, I do. I want to go with Burn. Okay. And I'm just going to get it all on the outer layer. All on the outer layer. Back to our Urban Decay palette. I want to do a Reputation. Reputation right there. I kind of want to just press it on because smearing it on is blending it too much. I really want a gold, honestly. Let me see. I'm going to the Barely Naked. I'm trying something out, guys. Alright, so that Reputation, putting it right in the corner, a little further into the middle, so like 2/3 on the lid. Okay. I'm gonna go to my ABH Jacquiana palette. I want to do edges. Do I want to do edges? I want to do edges. Yeah. I'm doing edges right there. Right at the edges. This look, I really don't want to be too much. It's just kind of like a, what is it? It's like a cute gathering, you know? Not like I'm going to the club or anything. It's like a dinner. No, not a dinner. A day thing. Definitely a day thing. So, let's see what we can do to look like we fit in. Maybe I don't want to fit in. Okay, so I want dollars. Do I want to do dollars? Right in the corner. Nothing is coming up the way I would like it to. I want to do definitely a bright yellowish gold in that corner. I'm trying to get it. Okay, just do that enough until it's nice and bold. Nice and bright. Okay guys, is that looking like anything? Now we can do our liner. Tattoo liner. Do I want to do tattoo liner? Do I want to do a liquid liner or do I want to do a pencil? You know what? I'm sticking with pencil, so I guess I made up my mind. So that was my pencil from Sephora, the black lace. Okay, so now let's do our eyeliner. Guess who's back again? Remember that song? Okay, guys. Okay, guys. So I actually had to do the audio over, do the voiceover because my video kept getting interrupted. So right now I'm applying the concealer. I'm just gonna blend that out. Okay, here's how I use the setting powder from Fenty Beauty. It's the hazelnut. I'm just going to use my powder brush to set the makeup. Set the highlighted spots. And then I'm going to use my contour stick from Fenty Beauty. I think it's the Espresso, I'm pretty sure. And I used my beauty blender to blend that out. I usually use the brush, but today I use the blender, so. Okay, so I use the Mocha Mommy for the bronzing from Fenty Beauty. Now what you have to do, you have to make those fish lips to really get into that cheekbone with that bronzer. You like my fish lips? I can't really do it. I don't know why. There we go. Here I use my powder brush and I apply blush right on top of that bronzer that I used. I'm so sorry. I need to put the type of blush it is in the description because I didn't in the video. Okay, so here I'm going to use Trophy White from Fenty Beauty as a highlight, just to my cheekbone. I like it because it matches my inner corner lid. And that's the fan brush I'm using. That brush is also from Sephora. And I'm using my finger just to not make this such a harsh line and tap it out a little bit. Okay, so here I'm going to go back with the color that I used for my crease. Is the Burn from the Urban Decay Naked Reloaded palette, and I'm just going in underneath the eye just to bring it out a little bit more. Make it more dramatic. I know I said I was going to be dramatic, but I guess I am. Okay, so here I'm going to use the Cinnamon highlight stick from Fenty Beauty, and I'm just going to put it on my nose bridge and the tip of my nose. Okay, so here I'm going to use the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Lip Pencil. It's the black milk color, and I'm just going to do about maybe 40% of my lips, fill it in a little bit, because I'm going to put on top of it, I want to put the lipstick on top of it. I had to sharpen it. So I used the pink sugar from Photos, and this one has a bit shimmer to it, but I mix it in with that lip pencil and really get a nice color. So here I'm going to use my Urban Decay setting spray and just kind of get that all over. So thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so you can get notifications whenever I upload. And I hope you guys have a great day.